In this question, we see bold-faced sentences, so we can be certain that the question will involve identifying the logical roles of the various sentences. We can confirm this by checking out the question stem. Now we'll go through the argument and identify the logical role of each sentence, not bothering to analyze too much of the argument further. The first phrase introduces evidence, and then further evidence in the bold portion and the rest of the sentence. Then we have the word however, so we are shifting perspective. 3D printers are not just for prototyping, so we have a partial contradiction of the first point. The final sentence gives support to the second opinion through elaboration of the non-prototyping capability. So, both bold-faced statements are supporting statements. The first supports the first opinion, and the second supports the second opinion, which contradicts the first to some degree. We have our answer prediction, and we can turn to the choices. A, D, and E all express the statements as being on the same side of the argument, so they are all incorrect and are out. We are left with B and C. We can see B is wrong because of its latter portion. The second bold-faced statement does not express a position, but rather an explanation supporting the second position. So C must be the answer. We can confirm this. The position that the argument seeks to establish is that 3D printers can function as a production line. Indeed, the first statement is the basis for the first opinion, the objection to the idea that 3D printers can be the production line. And the second, though we wouldn't have phrased it this way, is a consideration that is introduced to counter the force of that evidence, namely that they can be mass production even though they are good at prototyping. The correct answer is C.